How to subscribe Snapchat Plus on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen, and in here you will see the option for Snapchat Plus. So tap on the Snapchat Plus option you see there, and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all the exclusive, experimental, and pre-release features of Snapchat. So if you want to add the Snapchat Plus subscription, then tap on the next option you see there. You will then be shown with the subscription rates and the features of the subscription. So select if you want the monthly subscription or the annual subscription, and then tap on the start free trial option you see there. And further, you will be required to enter the details of your card in order to subscribe successfully. So enter your card details by simply entering your Face ID, and with this, the subscription will be taken. So this is how you can subscribe to Snapchat Plus on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.